Check out this retaining wall garden I'm building. Working with slope and elevation in Realtime Architect can be challenging. Even when you have years of experience, there can still be a glitch that causes you to use some creative solutions in order to achieve the look you want. On this project I am working with a 6-foot rise from west to east over a 46-foot run. I use the slope tool to insert this hillside. The east border levels out, so I add a graded section along the east edge of the grid. The north is bordered by a 2-step retaining wall. The lower grade is 3 feet and the upper grade is 5 feet. First I place the main 5-foot grade. Then, I place the 3-foot grade in front of that. Then I use the region tool to fill it in with rock. I use the grade paint brush to smooth out the edges where they merge. I use rail ties to dress the front of the graded edges and a fence for the backside. This is a Texas garden, so we put native myrtle in for the canopy with snake and sage on the upper bed. The lower bed has purple heart and rosemary. We complete it with lights, a bird bath and feeder. If you like the gardens I design and find our videos helpful, please subscribe and share to get notified when I release them. I am uploading a lot more design tutorials on the Zen Life channel.